Good morning, dear children. Now we'll be revising what we have done up till now in the chapter rupees and paisa, and finally we'll be ending up with the bill and the calculations what are left. Now, rupees and paisa. You all know for everything we need rupees and paisa, but obvious for purchasing anything we need rupees. Now, rupees is means 1 rupees is formed when 100 paisa is come all together. That means I have already given you 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So now you know we have coins, 1 rupee coins, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coins, 10 rupees coin also. We have note, 1 rupee, 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, then 20, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 2000 rupees note. So we have all these notes. Now you all know you have done on page 192 that to count the money. I have so 4 rupees 75 paisa. So how you will count it? You will take 4 rupees and then you will now 25 paisa is not in a use, but you will take 4 rupees. That either you can take 1 rupees 4 coin or 2 rupees 2 coins, and then 75 paisa, that means 150 rupee 50 paisa coin and 125 paisa coin. Then you can do this exercise on page 193 and 192 of counting the notes. Now find out the total cost. The next question is find out the total cost. So how to find out the total cost? For that we have a shopping list. Here is the shopping list. Can you see this list? Yes, this is the shopping list. Now in this list, let's see what all is there. 7 rupees each ball is there, 2 rupees each top is there, 15 rupees each car, 6 rupees 50 paisa each is giraffe, 8 rupees each is puppet, 5 rupees per notebook, 2.50 per pencil, 1 each is this eraser, toffee 50 paisa, 4.50 paisa, 4 rupees 50 paisa is the biscuits. Now banana is 1.5 rupees each, 1 rupees 50 paisa each. 3 rupees 50 paisa each is a glass of milk, and 3 rupees is per glass of lemon juice. So now you can use these things. These are the amounts given and for the bill given to you. Now you visit to a self-service store. Self-service store means a store where you can now, like malls and all, Saharaganj, you must go on Big Bazaar, then you go to nearby any kinds of stores. Self-service means the products are displayed and the price is written. You can have to just pick it and then take it to the counter and you can purchase it. Now, without using a pencil or paper, find out the cost of it. This is an activity. If you require, you can use a pencil, but let's see, this is a kind of mental maths. 1 ball and 1 toy car. So 1 ball is of how much? 7 rupees, and 1 toy car is of 15. So 15 plus 7, 22 rupees. Simple. Then 1 notebook and 2 pencil. So 1 pencil is 2 rupees 50 paisa. So 2 pencil will be 5 rupees, and 1 notebook is also 5 rupees. So it will be 10. It will be 10 rupees. So the answer for this is 22. For this is 10. Now 2 banana and a glass of milk. So 2 banana means 1 rupees 50 paisa. And you know, we remember we have done addition. Rupees paisa. So 1 rupees 50 paisa plus 1 rupees 50 paisa, 0. Now I told you when it comes to 100 you will carry 1. This is 3 rupees. Rupees 3. Okay. Now 3 rupees is banana and 1 glass of and a glass of milk. So now what we will do? 3 rupees plus 3 rupees 50 paisa. So 0, 5, dot. 6 rupees 50 paisa is the answer. Next, 1 glass of lemon juice and a packet of biscuit. So 1 packet of biscuit is 4 rupees 50 paisa and a lemon juice is 4 rupees 3. So it will be 7 rupees 50 paisa. Simple. Now let's see what is the over here. Find out the total cost of one toy giraffe, one copy and a glass of lemon juice in rupees. You can find it out. Do this in the book. You have to do this in the book. This is your homework for today. And then I'll give you another question that you will do in the copy. But this today is your homework. I'm explaining you and I'm again telling you. Page 194 and 95, you have to do it in the book. Now, one glass of milk, one packet of biscuit and a banana. That is also easy. I have already solved some sums. Now these all you can easily. It is simple addition of rupees and paisa. Simple addition of rupees and paisa. One notebook, one pencil and one eraser. So, okay. So let's see. One notebook is for rupees 5. One pencil 250 paisa and one eraser 1 rupees. That means 5 rupees. How you will do? 5 rupees, this side paisa, this side rupees, then 1 rupees, then 2 rupees 50 paisa. So what will be the answer? 8 rupees 50 paisa. What is your answer? 8 rupees 50 paisa. Simple. It is very simple. You can easily solve them. Then now let's see. 2 tops, 3 toffees and 2 bananas. Solve these sums in your copy, in the book, sorry, and then I'll give you a proper another question or the same question with a proper format, and then you can do it in the copy also. Next, what can you buy if you have a 20 rupees note? What can you buy if you have a 20 rupees note? Now the amount of the products are there on the service store list. One toy, one lemon juice, one banana. Similarly, now you have 20 rupees. So you will see this bill on 194. What all you can buy for 20 rupees? For 20 rupees, you can buy one car and one notebook. Then you can buy one ball, one puppet, that is 15 rupees, and one notebook. Or you can buy 5 erasers, 2 pencils. That 5 erasers means 5 rupees, 2 pencils means 5 rupees. Then you can buy 10 toffees, 5 rupees, and you can buy one notebook. Okay, simple. Or you can buy 5 tops, that is 10 rupees, one notebook and 2 pencils. So this is all you can buy. Lot of options are there. In this you have to give the options over there. Now self-service store cash memo. Cash memo, what is the cash memo? Cash memo is the thing, is a bill. What it is? It is a kind of a bill. From where you get this bill? When you purchase the thing, you get the cash memo, you get the bill. The bill is regarding the details of what all is being purchased by you and at what price. And at what price and what is the quantity. So you can easily create the bill. Yes or no? Suppose I took item names. If I write ball, rate per item is given there. Suppose the ball is of 5 rupees. I write 5. Now it is simply, it will be 2 balls, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Then pencil is for 2.50 rupees. If I take 4 pencils, 4 pencil, 2.50 rupees. Okay, so the total will be, what will be the total rupees, total rate? 4 pencil into 2.50, that means 10 rupees. So my bill will be 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 rupees. Now for this confusion, I'll create you the bill. I'll write it in the copy and it give you the given picture of the solved bill. Okay. Now after this we have done addition and subtraction. Yes or no? Again I tell you, from paisa we subtract paisa, from rupees we add rupees only, and if on the paisa side it goes above 100, it is carried over on the other side. Okay. Now see, the service store cash memo is being showed over here. This is the cash memo. This is the cash memo. Suppose 1 ball, 3 pencils, 5 toffees. So 1 ball is of 7 rupees. 3 pencil will be 7 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. How it is 7 rupees 50 paisa? This will be, we'll either multiply or we will add 2 rupees 50 paisa 3 times. Then 5 toffees, 2 into 5, 50, 2 into 5. So what will be? Simply the top fees is of 50 paisa. So 5 toffees is equal to 5 in 0.50 into 5, that is 2 rupees 50 paisa. Answer is 17 rupees. Simple. See children, if you have any confusion in addition, subtraction, multiplication, always remember पैसा जब भी ऐड होके या मल्टीप्लाई होके अगर 100 रुपीज से ऊपर आ रहा है, सपोज you multiply 50 paisa into 2, it will become 1 rupees. How? It will show 100 paisa. 100 paisa directly becomes 1 rupees because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Clear? So these are the sum bills given. Addition and subtraction we have already given. Now you can see you have 30 rupees with you. Find how much money will be left after buying the following items. Now you can see the service list given to you. You can write the cost of the money and you can see it. It's very simple. It is simple addition of the amount of the products and subtraction from 30 rupees. You will get whatever is left with you. Okay children? Now, after this, we have practice times. We have some word problems. Today also I gave you 2 word problems. That means in the previous class I gave you 2 word problems last class yesterday, and in that I gave you to solve it. It is simple addition and subtraction. Now let's see what is there in this. Beena has 48 rupees 50 paisa. Raman has 55 rupees 50 paisa and Veenu has rupees 38. How much money did they have in all? Now when it comes, I earlier told you now, in all, that means you have to add all the money. It is simply add. So you will write rupees 48.50. Beenu has 48.50. Then Raman has had 55.50 rupees. Then Venu have only 38 rupees. Now here you will put 20 because there is no 50 paisa. You will simply add all of them. 0, 0, 0. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. That means when 1 0 is there and 10 in front of it, 100 paisa. That means 1 rupees. So you put 1 point over here and you carry over the 1. Now 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Plus 1 is 22. Plus 1 is 22. Okay. So 16 plus 5 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. Now you will carry 2 over here. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 142 rupees is the answer. Because there is no paisa, so simply 142 rupees is the answer. Simple, easy addition also, and it is very simple also. Now next, let's see. Hari booked a railway ticket for rupees 62.50 paisa. He had 100 rupees note. How much money will he get back with the ticket? Now the same questions I have given you yesterday if you have practiced in the rough. I again tell you, I give you questions and then I explain you again and again so that the concept is completely clear with you. Okay children? And I hope you practice those sums. Now for this, we'll write rupees 100. We'll write rupees 100.00 and how much she has? 62 rupees 50 paisa. Now we'll minus 0, Here is the point. Now this will become 0, this will borrow 10, but we'll give this one to 9, this also will become 9, and this will borrow 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3. 37 rupees 50 paisa left with whom? With Hari. This is simple addition, subtraction. Now this question I leave to you, see to do it. Again I tell you children, word problems mean forming proper statements also. So now when you will come to write, how you will write? Hari booked a railway ticket for rupees 68. Total amount Hari had 100 rupees. Money left with Hari. Money left with Hari is equal to 37 rupees 50 paisa. This is very important to show the calculation of proper, because the marks depend on the basis of calculation only on these statement. Otherwise you will lose marks. Okay children. Now this is a tour about a person going somewhere, then different fees is charged. You will do this on your own. You will do this train journey. I have already explained you enough about the fares and everything. So I hope you can, from New Mall to Guwahati, this is simply distance in kilometer, station, fare in rupees. So simply you can add, subtract, multiply, whatever is required, and you can solve and get the answer. Now find the cost of the ticket. This question you try on your own, and if you have problem, do let me know. We'll discuss again. Now after this, I told you we have already done some conversions. We have done conversions, and in this conversions I have explained you what is the value or how to find out from rupees to paisa and paisa to rupees. So over here I have done 2 for you, and rest I have given you for practice. This you will do in the fair copy. Again I say, this you will do in the fair copy. Rupees 85 70 paisa, 8,570 paisa will be the conversion. You will remove this dot and it will be directly 9 rupees into paisa. 9 into 100 is equal to 900 paisa, or simply we will write 9.00 into paisa. So we'll remove this dot and it will be 900 rupees. Sorry, 900 paisa for 9 rupees. Clear? Now you will do the other two sums. Then there are some practice sums. These convert the money into paisa to rupees, and given money to paisa, from rupees to paisa, you will do it in the rough. These 2 pages over here you will do in the rough. Now let's see the bill. You will try to solve it, go through it. I'll explain you again in the next class if there is a problem. It is simple. Cost, the bill is written over here. You don't have to write it. It is written, only you have to fill the amount. Suppose Jaya and Shruti went to a coffee shop. Jaya ordered 1 cup hot coffee and 2 club sandwiches, 1 plate french fries. Shrutika ordered 1 cold coffee and 3 coleslaw sandwiches. Find the total amount. Now 1 cup coffee is for 250 rupees. It will be simply. Sandwich is 30 rupees 25 paisa each. Okay. So now if it is 2, it will be 60 rupees 50 paisa. Simply we'll multiply it by 2, or we'll add it 2 times. French fries, the same amount will come. Cold coffee, it is 1, same amount will. Coleslaw sandwiches is 3 in counting. So you will either add this 3 times, or you will simply follow a shortcut. 32 rupees 25. You will do it in the rough in front of it and show into 3. Now 15, carry 1, 6, 75 paisa, put a dot, 6, 9. So 96 rupees 75 paisa. Now how you will find out the total? You will add all the amounts. You will write in front of the amount and you will add them. You will find the total. In this way children, it is now your duty to go through this whole video, understand the things, and if you miss anything, do let me know. I'll explain it again. By this thing, we come to the end of the chapter of rupees and paisa. We'll be starting patterns from further on, and the smart charts also. We have 2 chapters others, so we'll be going in those chapters. But if you have any problem in rupees and paisa, please do let me know. I'll help you out. Okay children? See you in the next class. Bye.